y'all. I've been using my air fryer to cook all manner of goodies. Everything from dill pickle chips to baked potatoes and even biscuits and bacon. But tonight my husband's asked me to cook a steak in the air fryer. Now according to the infomercials, an air fryer is the ideal kitchen appliance for steak cooking. The convection vortex technology is supposed to seal and sear in the juiciness while keeping all the fat out. I've always did his steaks on the stove and transferred to the oven, but tonight we're going to do the air fryer and see how he likes the difference.
Pat your steak dry. Oiling your steak will ensure that it has a good sear in the air fryer. Make sure you use an oil with a high smoke point. Season your steak however you like.
The steak is ready to go in the air fryer. Make sure you've preheated it for at least 3 minutes.
For best results, allow your steak to warm to room temperature before placing in the air fryer. I'm cooking mine at 400 degrees for 12 to 14 minutes for a medium well steak. Keep in mind that thickness will affect your cook time. You will also want to adjust your cook time for your preferred level of doneness.
We're halfway through the cooking, and can you hear that sizzle? Let's see. We're going to flip it now. Time is up, and the steak should be done. It looks juicy. It's got a nice caramelized sear on it, but we need to let it rest 5 to 10 minutes before we cut into it.
The steak has rested, it's been plated, and now it's time for my #1 steak eater to tell us what he thinks of it.
Well, it looks good and done. It's pretty tender. Tastes pretty good. I highly recommend it.
Cooking a steak in an air fryer was easy. I didn't have to worry about burning the steak. If you're wondering what cleanup looks like, let me show you the pan. Cleanup is a cinch with the air frying basket. The plate and basket are non-stick, so soaking it for a few minutes in a little Dawn will clean this right on up. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of my videos.